Hello and welcome to the Unboxing Doozy channel. My name is Darius. I had a bit of a break with this corona business going on, but now I'm back with the unboxing of the brand new Samsung Galaxy Note Ultra 5G. Just looking from the box, you can see it will be a huge phone. There are two versions of the Note, the standard Note and the Note Ultra. Also, you can choose from 128, 256 and 512 GB versions. The one I got here is the top of the line 512 GB one. For now, I will take this absolute brick of a phone and put it to the side, while we examine what else you get with it. We got the wall adapter and of course USB-C cable with a reversible connector on both ends. But with only 25 watt fast charge, it is a bit of a disappointment, as with the S20 Ultra you get 45. Next are the half decent headphones. Would have expected to get the wireless ones as standard, but you only get them if you had pre-ordered the phone. Let's see what is still left in the lid of the box. It is the paperwork and the SIM card ejector tool. With that out of the way, let's get a better look at this massive device. The screen is a whopping 6.9 inches dual capacitive dynamic AMOLED. The phone is water and dust resistant with an IP68 rating. Everything on this phone is big, and so is the camera module, which sticks out quite a bit and will get caught up on anything and everything. In there is space for 3 lenses and the laser. First one is a wide lens, second one is a periscope telephoto lens with 5 times optical zoom, and the third one is an ultra wide one. With them, besides making great photos, you can also record in 8K. On the left side you'll find the power button and the volume rocker. On the top the SIM and SD card slot. As usual with the Samsung phones, you can put in a second SIM or SD card. Down on the bottom there is the USB port, speaker and the main attraction of this model, the S Pen, or in full stylus pen. On the front you got a great 10 megapixel camera which can also record at 4K. After booting up the phone you get greeted by this absolutely magical screen and almost forget the size and that it will need to fit in your pocket. The pen works super intuitive. I never used one before, but got straight into the doodling and coloring pictures. The S Pen also makes a really satisfying sound when you are using it. But of course you can do much more than that with it. The battery is a 4500 mAh, which might be just enough to get you through the day, considering the size of the screen and the processing power. As you can imagine, this phone has all the latest sensors, from fingerprint scanner to barometer, and the same goes for the communication modules. So there it is, a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Note20 Ultra 5G. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.